Hello students, welcome to yet new session of high quality paragymnals. So guys, this is the set 2 and in this session also we are going to discuss some very good questions of paragymnals. So let's get started. First question on the screen. Okay, so this is a CAT 2022 question. So let's see the question. The creative element in product design has become of paramount importance as it is one of the few ways a firm or industry can sustain competitive advantage over its rivals. So product design में creative element आपको एक competitive advantage देता है अपने rivals के ऊपर. Now this looks like a starting statement, but let us see. Though it could be a potential start, but let us see if there is any other option that is even more general. In fact, the creative element in the world of in the value of world industry. So yeah, this cannot be the starting because it starts with in fact. When do I use in fact? I use in fact when I want to emphasize something that I've already mentioned. Okay, so this is not the starting statement. The creative industry is receiving a lot of attention today as its growth is faster than that of world economy as a whole. Now this is a very general statement. Why? Because this option talks about creative industry as a whole. Now if you actually see, and this is a concept that I have already discussed in the last session also, we always move from general to specific, right? So which means that if I look at the term creative industry and I compare it with creative element of product design, creative element within the product design, okay, so obviously the term creative industry is a broader term, right? Creative industry is a broader term, and once you have talked about the industry, then within the industry you have product and product design and all that. So which means that first option cannot be the start. The starting statement has to be more general, and that is third option. The creative industry is receiving a lot of attention today as its growth rate is faster than that of the world economy as a whole. Fourth option cannot be the starting because it starts with it, so we can rule that one out. Okay, and obviously fourth option may you also have this determiner this, so you cannot have a sentence that starts with because you require a reference, right? This, that, these, those reference चाहिए होता है. So we start with the third option. The creative industry is receiving a lot of attention today as its growth rate is faster than that of the world economy as a whole. So we are talking about creative industry, which is getting a lot of attention because it's growing very fast and its growth rate is better than or faster than the world economy as a whole. So in which other option you are talking about the world economy, world industry? Bhai ye raha, world industry, creative element, okay, creative industry and industry, other industries, right? Now look at this. We can see third and second option like they have the similar terms, right? And in fact second option starts with in fact. Now understand it like this: creative industry in itself is its growth rate is faster than that of the world economy. So third option is emphasizing the impact of creative industry because it's getting a lot of attention and its growth rate is faster than that of the world economy as a whole. Now if I look at second option, it adds on to that idea of saying in fact the creative element in the value of world industry would be larger still. Guys, look at this, larger still. What does that mean? Larger still means that this is the comparative form. मतलब ये हुआ कि आपने इसके पहले क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री के पोटेंशियल की पहले ही बात कर ली और अब आप ये कह रहे हो कि एक्चुअली अगर आप क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री के अंदर बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज के क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट को भी ऐड कर दोगे तो साइज जो है वो और भी ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. Now you have to understand something. When you say larger still, this is the comparative form, which means that you've already talked about creative industry and now you are saying that the size could even be bigger. So already creative industry is very big. Already the creative industry is very big, but if you add the creative element of other industries also, okay, then the size of the creative industry would even be it would even be larger. Okay, और ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा, right? So third option is followed by second option. Okay, so let me read both these statements together. Okay, so that would make sense, right? The creative industry is receiving a lot of attention today as its growth rate is faster than that of the world economy as a whole. Good. In fact, the creative element in the value of world industry would be larger still if we add the contribution of creative element in other industries such as design of tech accessories. So which means in simple language that if we add the creative element of the other industries also, then the size of the creative element in the world industry would be even bigger. ठीक है, तो पहले ही आपका बड़ा है और अगर आप ऐड कर दोगे क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट्स बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज के भी तो और बड़ा हो जाएगा ना. तो इनफैक्ट इज कंटिन्यूइंग द सेम आइडिया दैट यू स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग इन थर्ड ऑप्शन. एंड लार्जर स्टिल means obviously it implies that in the starting itself we have talked about the potential of creative industry. Okay, so this is like pretty easy connection to make, I would say. Now look at first option and fourth option, because 3 and 2 में third option तो fix हो गया, starting है, second option उसके बाद में आ रहा है. First option says the creative element in product design has become of paramount importance as it's one of the few ways a firm or industry can sustain a competitive advantage over its rivals. Guys, look at this term, competitive advantage. It's very important. I will tell you why. देखो यार, क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट जो होता है प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन में वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट क्रिएटिव है तो आप अपने राइवल्स के ऊपर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज रखते हो. ठीक है, और वो क्रिएटिविटी कुछ भी हो सकती है. लाइक let me take an example of a cell phone. Okay, so if you look at the creative element of an Apple cell phone, okay, one of the reasons why a lot of these cell phones they sell in the market, okay, better than their competitors is just because of the creative element, right? So you can understand कि अगर आज एक certain आपके पास सेल फोन है और वो इसलिए एडवांटेज ले रहा है अपने राइवल के ऊपर क्योंकि उसकी जो क्रिएटिविटी है वो बहुत अच्छी है. Okay, it's unique. Then obviously the creative element is going to provide you a competitive advantage. अब मुझे एक चीज बताओ, अगर आपके डिजाइन को कोई कॉपी करता है तो would you be happy with that? Obviously not, because that is your USP, that is what sells your product in the market. So you would be very careful about the intellectual property right. What is intellectual property right? Intellectual property right is a proprietary technology that you have developed or something unique that you have developed, and you don't want your competitors to copy it because it gives you advantage. ठीक है, understood? Having understood that, now look at fourth option. It is for this reason that today's trade issues are increasingly involving intellectual property. Guys, intellectual property के disputes आजकल इसलिए बढ़ गए हैं क्योंकि जो आपका प्रोडक्ट का यूएसपी है वो आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज होता है. क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट जो होता है वो कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज होता है. तो इस रीजन की वजह से हर कंपनी चाहती है कि उनका क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट उनके पास ही रहे, कोई उसका राइवल कॉपी नहीं करे. एंड इट इज फॉर दिस रीजन. ओके, विच रीजन? द रीजन दैट यू हैव जस्ट मेंशन्ड इन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, दैट क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट इज यूएसपी, क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट इज of paramount importance, it gives you advantage. It is because of this advantage that you see a lot of trade issues happening dealing with intellectual property, है ना. तो आप हम लोग न्यूज भी पढ़ते हैं ना कि एक सर्टेन डिजाइन को आपने कॉपी कर लिया तो एक दूसरी कंपनी ने आप पे केस कर दिया कि भाई ये तो हमारी डिजाइन थी, है ना. ठीक है, हाउ कैन यू कॉपी दिस, राइट? ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली वी रियलाइज कि क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट्स कॉपी हो सकते हैं, एंड every company wants to guard the creative element in their product design because that is something that's very very important. Okay, so very very easily first option and fourth option. खासकर की fourth option बाद में इसलिए आएगा क्योंकि you can see it is for this reason. तो this मतलब इसका रेफरेंस कहां से आ रहा है भाई? दिस का रेफरेंस कहां से आ रहा है? दिस का रेफरेंस आ रहा है आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन से ना. दिस का रेफरेंस कहां से आ रहा है? दिस का रेफरेंस आ रहा है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन से. सो फोर्थ ऑप्शन में यू हैव दिस which picks up the reference from first option, so 1 and 4 are linked. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, 4 guys is my final answer. That is how I solve it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, let's look at the first statement. Some company leaders are basing their decisions on locating offices to foster innovation and growth. First option यार लग तो रहा है starting, लेकिन observe something. It's not looking like a very general statement. It can also be a supporting statement for something that is more general, where you talk about why company leaders, or what is the broad reason why offices are being located near to the places where people live, है ना, ताकि आने जाने में टाइम कम लगे, है ना. Because first option is saying that some company leaders are basing their decisions on locating offices to foster innovation and growth. Foster means to support or nurture. सो कुछ कंपनी के लीडर्स ऐसे हैं जो लोकेटिंग ऑफिसेस पास में रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मतलब लोगों के जो उनके हाउसेस होते हैं उनके पास में, ताकि ग्रोथ और इनोवेशन को फॉस्टर किया जा सके, सपोर्ट किया जा सके, और जो उनके बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनको आने जाने में टाइम ज्यादा नहीं लगे. कम्यूट मीन्स लाइक द ट्रैवल दैट यू डू टू एंड फ्रो फ्रॉम योर ऑफिस, राइट? Okay. It may be a starting statement, but let's see if there is something more general. Okay. Shorter commute support innovation by giving employees more time in office and greater opportunities for in-person collaboration. Guys, this is a concept level statement. This is a statement that is talking about something that is universally valid, and it's a very broad, very general statement that sets the agenda for discussion. Okay, look at this. Shorter commute support innovation by giving employees more time. Shorter commutes की वजह से employees को ज्यादा टाइम मिलता है ऑफिस में, एंड उसकी वजह से उनको ज्यादा बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं. और अगर आप फिजिकल स्ट्रेन ऑफ लॉन्ग कम्यूट हटा दोगे तो उनके पास इन पर्सन कोलैबोरेशन की ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहती है. नाउ दिस option is the most general statement that I found in the entire discussion. So this could be a good starting statement. And if you look at first option, some company leaders are basing their decisions on locating offices. Why they're like locating offices nearer to the houses of the employees? Because they want their employees to perform better. They don't want their inventors to waste time. तो यार ये जो है first option, it's looking like a continuation. Okay, it's basically reinforcing the general phenomena of shorter commutes being better for the employees mentioned in the second option, right? So second and first option on a standalone basis, both of them were looking like a good start, but on comparing second and first option is a more general statement, so I follow second option with first option. Third और fourth option की मैंने इसलिए बात नहीं की because third option में this आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो ये starting नहीं हो सकता. और यहाँ पे फोर्थ ऑप्शन में सम सी दी लिंक बिटवीन लॉन्ग कम्यूट एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी. सो इसका मतलब ये जो लिंक है, ठीक है, ये पहले ही डिस्कस हो चुका है, ठीक है, तो ये भी स्टार्टिंग नहीं हो सकता. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ कैन नॉट बी स्टार्टिंग. But now the question is that now we are left with third and fourth option. So how should I actually go about sequencing it? Now one of the easier ways to sequence it is actually to see that third option says this is not always the case. So my question would be, what is the case in general? Okay, and whatever third option is saying, इसके पहले जो केस होगा वो उसका कंट्रास्ट होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा है दिस इज नॉट ऑलवेज द केस. दैट मीन्स कि थर्ड ऑप्शन में जो भी आपने सिनेरियो डिस्कस किया है वो इसके पहले वाले स्टेटमेंट के सिनेरियो से जस्ट अपोजिट है ना, बिकॉज यहाँ पे नॉट लगा हुआ है ना, ठीक है. Let's look at the fourth option. Some see the link between long commutes and productivity as support for work from home scenarios. Guys, कई लोगों का ये मानना है, कई लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर लॉन्ग कम्यूट कम हो जाए तो प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ जाएगी, ठीक है. एंड फॉर दैट रीजन, because the productivity and long commute are linked, they support work from home scenarios. And this is true in context of the fact that a lot of people in the pandemic have become comfortable with commute free arrangements, मतलब वो work from home करते हैं. तो fourth option is saying कि some people believe that productivity is supported when you work from home. Now look at this option. This is not always the case. So what is not always the case, guys? Third option में this is not always the case. कौन सा? Which is not always the case? That your productivity goes up when you work from home. So when you look at third option, it says this is not always the case. You ask yourself which is not always the case, and it's actually talking about fourth option that talks about shorter commute and more productivity, or for that matter working from home and more productivity. So fourth option followed by third option because of the term this. Okay, and we can see fourth option and third option are actually contrasting, because fourth option says that work from home is better because you have more productivity. Third option says that this is not always the case because sometimes you have ऑफिस वाटर कूलर कन्वर्सेशन, बातचीत होती है, तो वो भी ऑफिस के अंदर जो मिलना जुलना और बातचीत होती है वो भी आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो इसलिए वर्क फ्रॉम होम हमेशा अच्छा नहीं होता है ना. सो दिस इज नॉट ऑलवेज द केस. रिमोट वर्क डज नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली लीड टू मोर प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड क्रिएटिविटी. सो वेरी इजी फोर्थ एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन नाउ. Okay, so 2 and 4 is the sequence. Okay, pretty like I would say that not a very tricky question. Okay, now there is one more thing that you can actually observe. यहाँ पे जो fourth option में जो sum आ रहा है ना, ठीक है, there's a link between 1 and 4 also, because this sum is actually referring to the some company leaders. ठीक है, तो you can actually see कि first option में some leaders आ रहा था, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so guys, this is the noun form, and in fourth option, the sum that you see as a replacement for some leaders. Okay, so this sum is referring to the some leaders, some company leaders that is mentioned in the first option. So 2143 is the sequence. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's see which option should be the best starting here. Centuries later. So भाई ये तो starting नहीं लग रहा, centuries later मतलब ये तो थोड़ा ending type लग रहा है. One of the immediate and recognizable impacts of printing press was on how people learned in the scribble culture. It primarily involved listening, so memorization was paramount. प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का जो इमीडिएट जो इम्पैक्ट था वो ये था कि लोगों का लर्न करने का तरीका बदल गया. पहले लोग स्क्रिबल कल्चर में चीजों को सुन के, लिसन करके और मेमोराइज करके याद करते थे. सो सेकंड ऑप्शन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओल्ड मेथड ऑफ लर्निंग, दैट इज लर्निंग थ्रू लिसनिंग एंड रिमेम्बरिंग. ओके, सो दिस कुड बी अ स्टार्ट. ठीक है, तो लग तो रहा है ये स्टार्टिंग. Okay, let's move on to the third option. The transformation of leaders from listeners to readers was a complex social and cultural phenomena, guys. The transformation of learners from listeners to readers. Now, this third option appears as if you have already talked about listeners and learners as listeners and readers. क्योंकि थर्ड ऑप्शन बात कर रहा है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की, इसका मतलब पहले ही आप लिसनर्स की और रीडर्स की बात कर चुके हो, तो थर्ड ऑप्शन स्टार्टिंग तो नहीं हो सकता. बिकॉज अगर आप सीक्वेंस वाइज जाओगे तो लर्निंग के प्रोसेस में पहली जो स्टेज है दैट इज लिसनिंग एंड मेमोराइजिंग, फिर बाद में प्रिंटिंग आई होगी. तो दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वाला सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी द स्टार्टिंग, राइट? Okay, fourth option says the printing press shifted the learning process. Now, if you look at fourth option, it says printing press ने learning process को shift कर दिया. Now the question is कि printing press ने learning process को shift कर दिया, तो पुराना वाला process कौन सा था? क्योंकि लर्निंग प्रोसेस पहले मेंशन तो करो कि ओरिजिनल लर्निंग प्रोसेस कौन सा था, तभी तो तुम बोलोगे ना कि पुराना वाला प्रोसेस ये होता था, लेकिन प्रिंटिंग प्रेस के आने के बाद वो लर्निंग प्रोसेस शिफ्ट हो गया, है ना? सो now I can see that second option is the best starting option. Why? Because second option talks about the first way of learning, and that was in the scribble culture, which was mainly through listening and memorizing. So initially listening और memorizing से आप सीखते थे, listening और memorizing से सीखने वाले प्रोसेस को printing press ने shift कर दिया, because as listening and memorization gave way to reading and learning no longer required the presence of mentor, it could be done privately. Yes. So the original process of listening and memorizing was shifted for a very, very simple reason, that now you had a better way of learning, and that is to press. ठीक है, तो ये वाला बिल्कुल सही जा रहा है, कोई भी दिक्कत यहाँ पे हमारे पास नहीं है. ठीक है, सो नाउ व्हेन आई हैव मेंशन्ड द पुराना वाला प्रोसेस दैट इज लिसनिंग, मेमोराइजिंग, नाउ आई हैव मेंशन्ड द न्यू वाला प्रोसेस दैट इज प्रिंटिंग प्रेस. तो ये शिफ्ट वाली बात भी हो गई कि भाई पुराने वाले प्रोसेस से नए पे शिफ्ट हो गए, प्रेस आ गई. नाउ यू कैन से that this transformation of learners from listeners to readers, क्योंकि यहाँ पे readers की बात हो गई, यहाँ पे listeners की बात हो गई, तो now you can say that this transformation of learners from listeners to readers was a complex social and cultural phenomena, and it was not until the industrial era that the concept of universal literacy took root. So third option would be placed after 2 and 4 so that I have some reference for this term, the transformation. ठीक है, क्योंकि अब ये क्लियर है कि जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है कौन सा वाला ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. इट्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम बीइंग अ लिसनर एंड समवन हु मेमोराइजेस टू समवन हु लर्न्स थ्रू रीडिंग. ठीक है, when I end this discussion I would talk about the most recent development, and that is mentioned in first option. देखो यार, डिस्कशन में जो एंडिंग स्टेटमेंट होगा वो एंडिंग स्टेटमेंट किस चीज की बात करेगा, जो लेटेस्ट बात है. ठीक है, बिकॉज दैट इज वेयर द डिस्कशन कम्स टू एन एंड. सो दिस इज वेयर द डिस्कशन कम्स टू एन एंड, बिकॉज नाउ इट टॉक्स अबाउट द लेटेस्ट थिंग्स. ओके, लाइक फिल्म्स, रेडियो, टेलीविजन, एंड यू से दैट centuries later still you have reading as the base of learning, and apart from reading there are other things also that have become a part of learning process, that is films, radios and televisions. Okay, so that is 2431. I hope समझ में आया आपको क्वेश्चन. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we have 4 options. Okay, some ये starting नहीं हो सकता. More recently, no, this cannot be the starting. Third option, scholars have long debated the relative importance of printed media, oral transmission, and images, and rallying popular support for reformation. Okay, so guys, this could be the start. Okay. Opponents of this view, guys, this and again cannot be the starting statement because this talks about this view, which means it requires a reference. So भाई starting statement कौन सा होने वाला है? Starting statement हमारा होने वाला है third option. Okay. Scholars have long debated the relative importance of printed media, oral transmission, and images in rallying popular support for reformation. Third option is making clear what is the debate all about. The debate is about the importance of printed media, the importance of oral transmission for reformation, for getting popular support of people in reformation. तो देखो यार डिबेट चल रही है, डिबेट में होती है दो पार्टियां, एक पार्टी एक मुद्दे को सपोर्ट करती है, दूसरी पार्टी दूसरे वाले एजेंडा को सपोर्ट करती है. सो लेट अस सी वो दो पार्टियां कौन सी हैं. सो वंस यू मेंशन दैट द डिबेट इज गोइंग ऑन, okay, so you have the first party to it, okay, and that is first option. Some have championed the central role of printing, the relatively new technology at the time. So once you mentioned that this is a debate going on, now you can say that some people support the role of print. So फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में अगर प्रिंट के सपोर्ट में लोग हैं, ठीक है, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन में जो जो इसके बाद वाला ऑप्शन आएगा उसमें कौन लोग होंगे? जो इस चीज को अपोज करते हैं. किस चीज को? प्रिंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रिफॉर्मेशन, राइट? प्रिंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर like attracting people to the idea of reformation, right? So fourth option में वही हो रहा है. Opponents of this view, which view? The view that print is going to play a central role in this whole idea of reformation and whatever they are discussing, right? So opponents of this view का reference कहाँ से आ रहा है? यहाँ से, first option से. Okay, the view that print is important, print media is important, right? So you have opponents, you have supporters. तो supporter आ गया, opponent आ गया, अब क्या होगा? बस अब question solve. Now we can actually end the discussion with the second option. More recently, historians have highlighted the role of media as a means of social signaling and coordinating public opinion during reformation. So this is the most recent development. So that would come in the ending. 3142 is the sequence. Okay, so that's going to be the answer. Okay, so guys, what you see on the screen are CAT results. So you can see a lot of people have got 99 plus, 98 plus. Now if you aspire to become a part of a batch that happens on a regular basis, you want consistent study schedule, and you are someone who's looking for a CAT specific batch, you can consider the Chanakya batch. So this batch has already started from 27th of May, so you can still join, and the batch provides you almost everything that you require for CAT preparation. So you have regular classes every day. We have 2 classes. Okay, recorded sessions are available. So आपके live sessions होंगे, recorded sessions आपको मिल जाते हैं, printed booklets आपको मिलती हैं at the doorstep. Then you have mock tests that are part of this plan. Okay, you also have the sectional test along with video solutions. Mock tests also come with video solutions. Okay, and you have the best faculties, right? You already know the faculties, so we have the best faculties, and I would suggest that in order to get more information about this batch, if you are looking forward to some sort of CAT preparation, you can actually go and check out the video, a dedicated video that we have put on Chanakya batch, so you can see what are the things that we're offering as a part of this batch. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's session. I'm going to see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.